Hello, if you are looking for the files that you download from the internet on your Nokia 6.2, you have to open the main menu, and as you can see, we can find the files here. And now when we go to downloads, there is nothing here because we didn't download anything, but of course we can do so. Go to the browser and type here maybe Selena Gomez, go to the images, and we can save this photo, download image. Now we have to access the home. Okay, and now when we go again to the files, there will be our photo of the Selena Gomez, as you can see. So thank you for watching, leave likes, subscriptions and of course comments below.